If you are currently working in an operational role, in other words, if you are not into the leadership role at the moment, it's time to start developing this skill, leadership skills. If not, you will end up doing the same operational job as today, even after 5 years. Now, companies are looking for someone who has the ability to get the work done, either by artificial intelligence or by motivating a high performing team. The most common question is, what is your leadership style? But why this question? It demonstrates the process. How will you achieve the target? Remember, when it comes to the task level, nothing is there in the hands of a leader. The tasks are divided between the team members who has different character, different emotion, different experience, different skill set. And how will you bring them together to achieve the common goal? This is where your leadership style is very important. Visionary leader, someone who can explain the organizational goals to the team member in an effective way. Someone who can visualize what we need to achieve. Someone who is clear about the goals and able to make a strategic plan to achieve the same. Someone who can empower each team member to take action today. Transformational leadership style. Change is something that brings in chaos in every working environment. Transformation leader brings in the philosophy of adapt to changes, supports the team member to adapt to their changes. Someone who inspires the employees to innovate and develop new ways of working to improve the current working standards. Autocratic leadership style. This is someone who controls the decision making and takes less input from the team members. And this is usually in emergency services and military. But at some point of time, this kind of leadership style is really required for an organization. Coaching style of leadership. This style of leadership encourages the competitiveness of the team. Give them enough training as and when required. Not just the training with respect to their work and also for the training with respect to their personal development. This leadership style encourages team members to take decisions and come up with their proposal. And this style of leadership gives the team member enough confidence that they are able to solve the problem by themselves. Someone who understands what is the future business need and develop the competency in line. Democratic leadership style. A democratic leader asks for opinions before taking a decision. Empower the team members and ensure their idea is respected and considered and sometimes implemented. Laissez-faire is a leadership style. The leader has trust on their employees. This is completely against the micromanagement, which is a problem for most of the team. And in this case, the leader gets involved only during problems that the team members is unable to solve. Pace setting leadership style. Set the pace, or the leader who is result oriented. For example, if there is a target which looks not practical, and the team members are not sure what to be done, the pace setting leader sets the context, what is required, and how to achieve that. A clear direction to reach the expected goals. When asked about the leadership style, an ideal leader should be the combination of all these things, as and when used based on the situations. For example, autocratic. Most of them think why autocratic leadership is important. When working under pressure, working towards tight deadlines, when the leader knows the team is aware already what needs to be done, and for some reason the process is going really slow, and any decision the team members make will have very big impact. In those areas, an autocratic leadership style is very important. Say for example, during the performance review of employees, a coaching style of leadership is important. The personal growth of employee also is respected as much as the target of the organization is respected. When the process is going for a change, the transformational leadership style is important. When asked about the leadership style, an ideal leader should be the combination of all these things, as and when used based on the situations. But remember one thing, visionary leadership style, coaching leadership and transformational is something which is very important, and every leader should have it. Now start observing your leaders and try to relate it to these leadership styles. So thank you for watching. Start your leadership journey today. Thank you.